If you're a fan of southern gardening, you've heard me talk about the advantages of growing in sub-irrigated containers. It's the spring season, and I'd like to share the steps of replanting these containers. Today's southern gardening is in my garden, where I've got a nice crop of onions, as well as trellised sugar peas growing in EarthBoxes, the commercial sub-irrigated container I prefer. Today I want to prep an EarthBox and start transplanting tomatoes, but first a couple of preliminaries. I'm going to remove last year's cover and prep the growing media by simply fluffing the mix and adding dolomite, which replenishes calcium and magnesium. I'm going to top off with some more growing mix and shape it to resemble a loaf of bread. The fertilizer strip goes right on top of the mix. Finally, put on the cover and we can get down to business. A hole needs to be cut in the plastic cover. A pair of scissors works, but I don't like the loose look. I use my torch to heat this hole cutter for that perfect round hole. I used to use a bulb planter to make the planting hole, but I found a better tool. It's called a Maxbit, and it's made right here in Mississippi and available at maxbit.com. Simply attach it to a drill and voila, a perfectly sized planting hole. Drop in the tomato transplants, water, and they're ready for the season. Well, that's one down, but I'm going to keep going because I have several more to do. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.